Crises are unpredictable. They strike suddenly, leaving little time to think. In such moments, effective decision-making can make all the difference. The first step in decision-making during a crisis is staying calm. Panic clouds judgment. Take a moment to breathe deeply. Regain control of your emotions before taking action. Once calm, assess the situation. Identify what has happened, what is at risk, and what resources are available. Gathering accurate information quickly is crucial. Even in urgency, a clear understanding of the facts helps avoid costly mistakes. Next, prioritize. In a crisis, not everything can be fixed at once. Focus on what matters most, what needs immediate attention, what can wait. Use the 80-20 rule. Address the 20% of problems causing 80% of the damage. After setting priorities, generate options. Even under pressure, there are always choices. List all possible actions, even those that seem unlikely. Sometimes the best solution is one that isn't obvious at first glance. Now evaluate each option. What are the potential outcomes? What are the risks? Choose the action that offers the best balance of safety, speed, and effectiveness. Don't aim for perfect. Aim for progress. Once you decide, act swiftly. Delays in a crisis can worsen the situation. Take responsibility and move forward confidently. Communicate clearly with everyone involved. Make sure roles are understood and actions are coordinated. After the action, observe the results. If something doesn't work, adapt quickly. Crisis management is dynamic. Flexibility is essential. Being willing to change course can save lives and resources. Lastly, once the crisis has passed, review what happened. What worked? What didn't? What can be improved for the future? Every crisis is a lesson. Learning from it prepares you better for the next one. In the end, decision-making in crisis situations is about staying focused, thinking clearly, and acting with purpose. It's not about having all the answers. It's about making the best choice with the information you have.